Good morning, students. A very warm good morning to all of you. Now today we are taken the first lesson of semester 2, that is shape. Okay. Before starting the lesson, just warm up is given there. Just see what is given. How many of each shapes can you find? Write the number in the cloud. Okay. Now see triangle. How many triangles are there? Just count the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now in the cloud you have to write here 8. Then square, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, only 4 squares are there. So here you have to write 4. Then how many are circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here you have to write 9. Now how many rectangles are there? Here is the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole is the 7. Then 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now here you have to write 10. Now just moving ahead with our next topic, solid shapes. Solid shapes are the three-dimensional because they can be viewed from all sides. They have length, breadth and height. The plane figure which makes the object is called the face. Two faces meet to form an edge, and when two edges meet, they form the corner or the vertex. Solid shapes have faces, edges and corners. Surface of the solid shapes may be flat or curved. Okay. Just see what are the solid shapes. Cube. A cube has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Edges. All 6 faces of cubes are equal. What is the example of cube? You can say a ice cube. Yes, very well you know ice cube. Just see the ice cube and you will imagine there are having the 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Okay. Now cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. It is like the cuboid, but opposite faces of the cuboid are equal. For example, if you have taken the box, you can take it as a box as a shoe box. Okay. In a shoe box you can see in this box there are the 6 faces, 8 corners and the 12 edges. Okay. Now cylinder. You know the cylinder in your house is also having the cylinder. Yes. A cylinder has one curved side and two flat circular ends. Cylindrical objects have 3 faces and 2 edges. They do not have the vertices. Just see here like a musical drum. If you are considering a musical drum, you can see here are the circle and at the bottom is the circle and all the sides are vertically. Okay. Now sphere. Sphere is a round object with one curved face. It doesn't have any corner or edge. Okay. Like a football. You can see a football. Now in the football, is there any corner or edge? No, it is the round one. It is only having the one curved face. Okay. Now the last one is cone. A cone has a flat circular base that rises with a curved surface to a point. It has 2 faces, 1 corner and 1 edge. Just see here. You know the birthday cap? Yes, already you are used. How it is? Birthday cap is having the one circle, means one base is there. Then here are the curved face and here is the corner. Okay. Are you understood everyone? What are the curve? What are the cylinder? What are the cone? What are the sphere, cylinder, cube and cuboid? Yes. Just see in my practice time 1, some questions are given. Two solid shapes with the same numbers of faces and corners are, which one are it is? You just have to write here cube and cuboid. Okay. Now blank is a solid space with 2 circular bases. Which is having the 2 circular base? That is cylinder. Has only one vertex. Which has only one vertex? Cone. A cuboid has how many edges? 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. A cylindrical object has 3 faces and 2 edges. When 2 edges meet, they form a corner and 2 faces meet to form an edge. Okay. Now in this way how to write? Identify the solid shapes that your following object present. Just see which one it is. It is the sphere. Then What is it? It is the cylinder. Now this one's F is the, yes, it is the cube, and this drum is the cylinder. Yes, this drum is the cylinder. In this way, you have to find all the remaining one. Yes? Okay, now third question. State where the following statements are true or false. Okay. A cube has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Yes, you have to write true. A sphere has 2 corners, two faces, 2 corners and 2 edges. Is a cube. Sorry. A sphere has 2 faces, 2 corners and 2 edges. It is the false. Then it is a cube? No. It is again you have to write false. A cone has a flat and a cylindrical and a circular surface. Yes, it is the true. Then a cuboid has one flat face. So you write as false. Okay. Now the fourth question is, give 4 examples of solid shapes from real life and draw them in your notebook. So you have to do by your own. Which are the solid shapes you have seen in the day-to-day life? You just draw in the notebook. Okay. Now see the next one is point. A point is an exact position or location on a plane surface. You know what is the point? Yes, dot, you can say as a dot or a point. A point are denoted by capital letter. Here the dot A is a point. Now you can see here is a dot and it is represented by A. Then what is the line? A line is a figure which has only length but no width. Okay, lines mean it has only length but no width. It has no end and extended indefinitely in both the directions. Here AB is a line. Now you have to see line is having the two end on both the side. It will be extended. Line segment. A portion of a line with two ends is called a line segment. In a line segment, there are the two dots, means it can't be extended. So, it is called as the line segment. What is the ray? A ray is a part of line. It can be extended endlessly in a one direction. Now, here can you see line is extended on the both the side because on the both the side it is having the arrow. Line segment is not extended because it has the two end point. And in the ray is extended to the one side because one side it is closed. Okay. So ray it has one end point and it is be represented by AB ray. Okay. Now see, some my practice time 2 is given. You have to write, state whether the following statements are true or false. A line can be extended in both the direction. Yes, line can be extended in both the direction. You have to write it as true. Is represent a ray? No, it is a false. A ray has one end point. Yes, a ray has one end point. So here I have to write true. Okay. Now identify the name of the following. So what is it which is extended both the side? It is a line. Then this is the point. And here in the direction it is the ray. And which is having the two end point, it is called the line segment. Okay. Now see, what is the straight line? A straight line is a line that does not have a bend. Straight line can be horizontal, vertical or slanted. You already heard about the slanted line. Yes, you are drawn in the first and second standard. Yes, a sleeping line is a horizontal line. A standing line is a vertical line. And a slant line is a oblique line. Just see here, this is the horizontal line, this is the vertical line and this is the oblique line. Slant line is also called as the oblique line. Okay. Now curved line. A line which has not straight, it is a curved line. Just see here, anything you can draw, it is the curved. Which is not straight, that is the curved line. Plane shapes. Plane figures are two-dimensional shapes. That is, they are drawn on a flat surface. They have length and breadth only. So, plane surface is having the length and breadth only. Some example of plane surfaces are triangle. You know the triangle one? Yes. Rectangle, square and circles. They have sides and corners except for the circles. Okay. Now are you see now the triangle one? See what is the triangle? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Just see the figure. Here ABC is a triangle which is having 1, 2 and 3 sides, and it is having the 3 angles. Okay. Line segment AB, BC and CA are the 3 sides of the triangle. Okay. Now what is the rectangle? A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. A, B, C and D are corners of the rectangles. AB, BC, CD and DA are the sides of the rectangle. The opposite sides of the rectangle are always equal in length. Just see in the rectangle this side and this side means these opposite sides are equal in length. Then square. All 4 sides of the square are equal in length. A, B, C, D are the 4 corners of the square. A, B, B, C, C, D and D are the 4 sides of the square. You just see the square one. In the square, all the 4 sides are of equal length and it is having the 4 corners and 4 sides. What about the circle? A circle has neither a side nor corner. You know, this is the circle. In circle, it is any corner or side? No. So the circle has neither a side nor a corner. Okay. See, radius, circumference and what is the diameter? A line which makes the boundary of the circle is called its circumference. Just see the line which makes the boundary. This is called as the circumference. A line joining the center to any point on the circumference is called the radius. Means from the point that point you have to draw any line to the circumference. These are called as the radius. These are all having the equal length. A line joining any 2 points on the circumference and passing through the center is called the diameter. The line which is passing through the center. All the lines, how many lines are passing through the center? Infinitely, okay? So these lines are passing through the center to the both the sides of the to the both sides of the circle. These are called as the diameter, okay? Now see in my practice time 3. Write the number of sides and the number of corners for the given figure. Just see how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So sides are 4. And how many number of corners are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just see B. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just see the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to write 7 and how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now in this way you have to write the remaining one. Okay. Name the object that closely resembles this plane. Okay. Yes, circle. Which object you can see? Which is closely to the? You can say at the. Yes. Write down any ball. Yes. Which shape is having the triangle one? Yes, which is having the rectangle one? Your playing board. Playing board. Here, which is the square one? Carom. You are playing carom, so you can write here carom. Okay. Now, see the third one. Draw curved lines by joining the points shown here. Just join the point A, B, C, then D, then E and F. Now see, here is the curve is formed. See the fill in the blanks. Is joining the line center to any point on the circumference of a circle. What is this? That is radius. Then all 4 sides of the are equal in length. Which one is? Square is having the all 4 sides are equal. Shapes have length and breadth only. So plane shapes are length and breadth only. And P from Q is a which line? It is the curve line. Okay. So students, are you understood all the topics in the lesson number 1? That is the shapes. How many shapes are there? How there are the solid shapes? Yes. That is cube, cuboid, cylinder, spheres and cone. Yes. And what about the point? line, which is the line, what is the segment, line segment, ray, okay. After that, which are the plane shapes, that is triangle, rectangle, square and circle, okay. I hope you all are understand all the topic in the lesson number 1. So next we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much, students.